Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Today, you will learn how to add a Likert scale field in WP Forms. The Likert scale field allows users to rate a particular choice mostly used when creating a survey form. Before starting this video, make sure you have WP Forms Pro for this functionality to work. I am sharing my affiliate link in the description, you can get it from there. So let's get started. We first need to install an add-on named Surveys and Polls add-on for this functionality to work. Either you can install it by hovering onto WP Forms and clicking on add-ons. Here you can find this add-on and simply click on the install button. I will show you a manual method for installing this add-on. To add this add-on manually, you simply need to go to WP Forms website, log into your account and click on the account tab here. From various tabs, click on downloads. Now on scrolling down, you will find various add-ons on this page to install. Simply search for Survey and Poll add-on. To install it, click on this download button over here. Now click on start download. This will take a few minutes. Once the file is downloaded, simply move back to the WordPress website. Hover onto plugins and click on add new. Now simply click on upload plugin. We need to upload the zip file that we downloaded. Click on install now. Once installed, click on activate the plugin. It's time to create a form now and add the Likert scale field to it. To do so, let's hover onto WP Forms and click on all forms. You can add the Likert field to the existing forms or also click on add new to create a new one. Now give your form a unique name first. I will create a form to share the feedback. Now select the template of your choice from here. Add the fields as per your requirement. You will find the Likert field under Fancy Fields. Simply drag and drop the field to the Preview Form Builder area. Click on it to configure its features. You can remove the rows by clicking on this button here. You can also edit the name of the row or type in any question that you want to get feedback for. You can make this a single row rating scale, or you can also select allow multiple responses per row. You can add multiple rows or add or remove multiple columns as well. Everything is self-explanatory. Once done, click on the save button. Now let's preview the form. You can see this is how users can share the feedback by selecting the options given here. You can add multiple rows and columns as per your requirement. So this was all about how to add the Likert field in WP Forms. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.